Hey, welcome back to Postal BBQ. I'm Postal, and today on the grill we're making an amazing turkey breast cooked on a wood plank. And just like always, I'm going to put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this recipe. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the cook. So to get started with this recipe, you're going to need one turkey breast, as well as some turkey stock or chicken stock, some melted butter, and then a barbecue rub, as well as a wood grilling plank. And this is from our friends over at Wildwood Grilling, and this is a wild cherry plank today that we're going to be using to help infuse some of that flavor into this turkey breast. So the first thing that we need to do is soak our wood plank. So we're going to take some of our water and just pour that into this dish and let it soak for about 1 hour. All right, so while that's soaking, we're just going to move that off to the side and we're going to prepare our turkey breast. And so the first thing that we're going to do is inject it with some of our flavors. We're going to start with the butter, and we're going to go into this turkey breast just in a couple spots here. And this is going to add just a nice buttery flavor. The next thing that we're going to do is do the same thing with our turkey stock. And this is just going to help hydrate our turkey breast as it cooks. So we're going to go ahead and hit it on both sides with this barbecue rub. This is a simple rub I made up using equal parts dried thyme, rosemary, sage, and basil. I also put in garlic powder and 2 parts black pepper. With our turkey breast prepared, I'm going to get the grill set up for cooking at 325 degrees. All right, so our TherMOWORKS smoke digital thermometer just notified me that we're about 330 degrees. First thing we're gonna do is take the wood plank that we're gonna be using and just place that directly into the middle section of your grate. Then we're gonna take this turkey breast and carefully place it on top of this plank. And we wanna make sure that the thickest side is closest to the fire and that the turkey breast is on the entire surface of this plank. Next, I'm going to take the digital thermometer and place it into the thickest part of the breast. And you'll notice I'm not going to put any extra wood into the coals so that we get the aroma and flavor of this wood plank. And so when that's all set up, we're going to close the lid and begin cooking around 325, even up to 350 degrees. All right, so we're about halfway through this turkey breast cook, and we're going to open up the grill and take a look. You can see that that skin is starting to crispen up a little bit, and it's got some really nice color that's starting to form, but it's not done yet. It still has about 45 more minutes, so I'm gonna close the lid and continue cooking. So our turkey breast has just hit 165 degrees, and so I'm gonna open up the grill and just confirm our temperatures with our ThermaPen, and just to make sure that we have a perfect temperature. All right, just as suspected, this is at 165 degrees, perfect temperature, and so it's coming off the grill. This turkey breast is all done and it smells amazing. There's got incredible color and the skin is crispy. Listen to this. Wow. All right, there's only one thing left to do. Let's cut into it and give it a taste. All right, let me grab this piece here. Wow, that's juicy. It's a nice little smoke ring around this. Let's give it a taste. Here we go. Mmm. And that is good. There's something unique about cooking on wood planks or wraps, wood wraps. It's not so much of a smoky taste, but more of a woody aroma that you get when you cook this way. You can taste that butter that we injected into this breast, as well as all those herbs that we rubbed on top. There's just a lot of really great flavor that's coming through, as well as that aroma and that wood taste that you get from this cherry wood. Man, this is good. Mmm, so crispy. So there you have it, a delicious and juicy turkey breast for your next cook using that cherry wood plank. Hey, if you like what we're doing on this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, as well as leave a comment letting us know how your turkey breast turned out. And other than that, we'll see you next time.